Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are taking a quick look at PhotoCat, an online photo editing tool. We'll go over its features, pros and cons, pricing, and whether it's actually worth using in 2026. What is PhotoCat? PhotoCat is a browser-based photo editor that lets you edit images without downloading any software. It is designed mainly for beginners and casual users who want simple tools like filters, retouching, and basic design features. Key features: basic photo editing. You get essential tools like crop, resize, and rotate, brightness, contrast and saturation adjustments, sharpen, and blur. Nothing advanced, but enough for everyday editing. Filters and effects. PhotoCat includes a variety of ready made filters. You can apply them with one click, which makes it great for quick edits, especially for social media photos. Retouching tools. There are simple retouching options like blemish remover, skin smoothing, red eye removal, etc. These are easy to use, but not as powerful as professional tools. Collage Maker. PhotoCat also has a built-in collage features. You can combine multiple photos in templates, useful for Instagram posts or personal projects. Graphic design elements. You can add text, stickers, frames. This makes it more than just a photo editor. It's also a light design tool. Pros: very easy to use, perfect for beginners, no installation required, works in your browser, free to start, fast editing for simple tasks. Cons: limited advanced editing tools, outdated interface compared to modern editors, not ideal for professional work. Some features may feel basic or restricted. Pricing: PhotoCat offers a free version with basic features. There may be premium features, but overall it's mainly known as a free, lightweight tool. Who should use PhotoCat? PhotoCat is best for beginners, casual users, people who want quick edits without learning complex software. It is not recommended for professional photographers, advanced designers, and anyone needing precise or high end editing. Final verdict: PhotoCat is a simple and beginner friendly photo editor that gets the job done for basic tasks. But compared to modern tools like Canva or advanced AI editors, it feels a bit outdated. If you just need quick edits, it's worth trying. But for more serious work, you will probably outgrow it fast. Thank you for watching this review. If you find it helpful and useful, please do not forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon to get all the news about such AIs. Tell me down below in the comments if you have used PhotoCat before. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.